I told him pick up cause my favorite pawns.
Alright guys, another day, another Scat pack. Mid Muffler delete, just like we do to all of them. Cut the mid mufflers out, replace them with some 3-inch piping, give it a nice little powder coat. It's gonna sound great. Bring a little bit of America right to your doorstep.
Cat, drop this.